See, under the strategic cost management, we can discuss last class about the operational. The remaining point we are going to discuss now. Operational activities and drivers, unit level activities under this, grinding parts, assembling parts, drilling holes, using materials, using power. Under unit level drivers, grinding machine hours, assemble labor hours, drilling machine hours, pounds of material, number of kilowatt hours. Batch level activities, setting up equipment, moving batches, inspecting batches, reworking products, batching level drivers, number of setups, number of movies, inspection hours, number of defective units. Next, product level activities under this, residing product, expecting, scheduling, testing product, product level drivers, number of change orders, number of late orders, number of different products, number of procedures. Next, we see organizational and operational activity relationship. Under this organizational activity, we are selecting and using the process technology. Next, second one, structural cost driver, type of process technology. Third, operational activity under moving material, operational driver, number of movies. Next, value chain analysis. It is identifying and exploiting the internal and external leakages to strengthen a firm's trade positioning. Then exploiting internal leakage, relationship between the activities are assessed and used to reduce the cost and increase value. Activities before and after production must be identified and their leakage identified and exploited. Under this first one, design, develop, produce, market, distribute, service. First you have to design the product and how to develop the product and how to produce and how to market the product to reach the customer, then distribution, then last it comes to the service. Then you can see the cost behavior purchasing activity. Under this chart, we can identify what is the cost, what is the number of orders you can purchase. It will be increasing 30 to 60, then 60 to 90. Next, exploiting supplier leakage. Value chain system also include value chain activities that are performed by suppliers and buyers. Exploiting internal leakage means managing these leakages so that both the company and the external parties receive an increase in benefit. Activity-based assignment to supply and the customer provide an accurate cost information needed by the customer. Then product life cycle viewpoints. First one, product life cycle. Time of product exit from the conception to abandonment. Revenue producing life. Time of product generate revenue for the income. It is income for the company. Conception life, length of the time that produce a product and serves the needs of the customer. Next, marketing viewpoint. Describe the general sales pattern of a product as it passes through the distinct life cycle stage. First one, introduction stage, growth stage, maturity, decline. Growth, it is a reproduction and startup activities where the focus is obtained to foothold in the market. Growth stage, it is a period of time when sales increase more quickly. Maturity stage, the period of time when sales increase more slowly. Decline stage, product slowly market acceptable and to begin to decreases. See the product life cycle chart. First introduction stage, then growth, it will be increasing. Maturity, it will reach the point. Then again it comes to the decline of sales. Next, production viewpoint. Different stage of the life cycle by changes in the type of activities performed. Research and development activities, production activities, and logistics activities. Emphasizing the life cycle cost. It associates the cost associated with the product and their life cycle. See the life cycle of the product, research, planning, design, testing, production, logistics. It also be increasing. Next, consumer life cycle viewpoint. It related to the activities. These activities define 4 stages, that is a purchasing, operating, maintaining, and disposal. Emphasis product performance and also a given price. Then interactive viewpoints. Life cycle cost management consists of action taken that a cost of product to be designed, developed, produced, marketable, distributed, operated, and maintained. The service and disposal of such life cycle product are maximized. Producer must understand and capitalize on the relationship among 3 life cycle viewpoints. Once these relations are understood, then action can be implemented to take advantage of the enhancement and the cost reduction opportunities. Next, we see the market product life cycle under the sales, then expenses, Then we can see the customer value, then attribute, then profit. So in the attribute, it is a low sales growth, it is a rapid, maturity, slow growth, decline, declining. In the expensive, it may be sometimes high or moderate, sometimes moderate to high or low to moderate, like that. Then growth will be high, sometimes moderate, maturity also moderate and also the high, then decline always be low. Then attributes under the consumer life cycle. The introduction, it is a high or low. Then growth will be the high, moderate and growing. Then it is a high, decline will be the low. Attribute, it comes under the introduction, growth, maturity. Under this profit, it may be last, weak level, moderate, low. Next class we can see the remaining one. Thank you.